and best wishes to all of us. First, be to God who has given us blessing and help so that we can getting together on this occasion. Previously, I would like to thank you, the Honorable Director of PT Permana, which operates in the fashion industry, Mrs. Aulia Ratna Permana, who has taken the time in the months of today busy schedule to attend this meeting to discuss business cooperation with PT Topsera. Let me introduce myself. I am Nazatu Azomi as representative from PT Topsera as one of the organization involved in the textile industry and as host for this meeting. There are many things we will discuss, so let's start with this meeting.
Okay, Ms. Nazila, may I ask a question?
Okay, Miss Aulia, you are welcome.
Why is your company interested in inviting our company to collaborate in building this industrial factory?
From several companies that I have seen, in my opinion, the most likely company that can collaborate with us the PT Permana company, because our company intends to build a textile industrial factory in the IKN area in the future.
What kind of textile company will you build in IKN?
The factory we will build is processing industry that convert fiber into yarn or fabric. From clothing to furniture, textile provide comfort and style in every aspect of your life. As technology continues to develop, we can look forward to innovation that will continue to change the face of the textile industry of the future. Our company wants to become the main supplier of textile material in your company.
Okay, quite interesting. So, what kind of main ingredient will you use to supply my company?
The material we will use will be super premium material. One good material is bamboo cotton, which is smooth, soft, and super light.
Can this material absorb sweat and is safe for sensitive skin? Because I work in the fashion sector, our company prioritizes comfort of our customer.
Of course, this material is safe because it is specially processed using today's advanced technology. So, it is very safe for all skin type.
Okay, I think I'm quite confident about collaborating with your company. I accept the offer to collaborate. I hope we will become good business partner.
Okay, Miss Aulia. Thank you for wanting to collaborate with our company. We hope that we can work together well in the future. Okay, that's enough for this meeting. In the end, we hope that what has been built in this event will continue to provide benefit and inspiration for all of us. Let us continue to mind the spirit of supporting each other, working together, and this enthusiasm to continue developing toward a better future. We thank you all for your attention and participation. Let's hope to meet again on other occasion. Good afternoon, welcome home, and see you next time.